Like this gas-acid battery, don't store electricity. Don't throw it away if it's broken. We connect the positive and negative poles of it with 2 wires. Give it a soak in this salt water. You can't imagine this effect. Then what exactly does it do? This is the table salt we eat. We soak this salt in this tap water. After us, this cleaning solution used to wash the toilet at home. We poured a little bit of this cleaner solution on top of this battery. The positive and negative electrodes are bubbled in this cleaning solution. This feature, surely you haven't seen it. So what's the use? Let's take a look. We let this place melt first and put it in this location. This is 2 wires and 2 clips. Corresponds to the positive and negative electrodes usually in our house. The key is rusty, or the tool is rusty. What if we don't use it well? That's where we can use that waste battery. 1,000 calculation batteries, plating copper. This one is our air conditioner copper pipe. You can find any scrap copper pipes. Let's put this on top of the copper plate, him on this key. Then he will never rust again. You see the key to this showmanship. It's not easy to use. How do you do it? Let me tell you about it. You see this head? These 2 clamps are clamped in this position. After this head, we separately pick up this key and this copper pipe. Let's say this location. We screwed the key in this position, tie him up in this position. This kind of can clamp this copper tube. It's simpler. You can look like this, right? Bring this over after that in order to make it clearer that this is the positive pole. After this is the negative electrode. We clamped it tight. When we put it up, you see that the key is not. This key immediately began to bubble. This copper pipe is the same. He put this copper pipe on top of the copper electrolysis to this solution inside experimental water inside. Then he was plated on top of the copper. We waited patiently for a while. This electroplated copper. Then take out the key and see how it works. This electroplating copper is used a lot. Let's take a look. Now it's been about 10 minutes and we're going to take it out. After that, take this key and wipe the water stain first. Do you see it? This top is already thin. Stand on a layer of copper. This copper is all from this copper pipe. You see if it is or not. This copper pipe direct. Put this copper electrolyze into this solution. Put it again, plated onto this key top. If it is said that the time is long, the effect of this copper plating will be better. He will all be the color of copper. Then, because of time, we don't have to wait. The longer the time, the better the effect, you see? It's obvious, right? Lead acid batteries. After it is broken, it can also be electroplated with copper. Share it with your key tool. No more fear of rust. See you in the next issue.